At our Fountainville, PA farm, we do allow people to come and view wildlife. We have an access program for wildlife. And if you're interested in coming to see our many different kinds of species of animals that we have here at the farm, you're more than welcome. Give us a call at 215-651-8329. These are some pictures that I took of recent visitors to the farm. And you can get a lot of shots because we have a lot of different places for you to go and view wildlife. And many different animals and birds are seen on a regular basis at our farm, including ospreys, eagles, and some things such as cougars and coyotes. So if you want to make a visit to Highland Hill Farm, please give us a call and stop in. We have excellent locations where you can set up to view wildlife.
This video was produced at Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. These are our green giant arborvitaes. Call us for your screening tree needs at 215-651-8329.